In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default font in Outlook email. We'll walk through both the classic Outlook desktop app and the new Outlook experience, so you can set a consistent look for every message you compose or reply to. Setting a default font helps your emails look professional and saves time, and it only takes a moment once you know where to find the controls. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook and go to the File menu in the top left, then choose Options. In the window that appears, select the Mail tab. Look for the section labeled Compose Messages and click Stationery and Fonts. This opens the Personal Stationery tab, which controls the appearance of your emails. Here, you'll see separate options for new mail messages and for replying or forwarding messages. Click Font under the area you want to change. Pick your preferred font family, style, size, and color. For readability, a clean font at around 10 to 12 points usually works well, and consistent color helps maintain a professional look. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. If you want a different style for replies and forwards, repeat the process under replying or forwarding messages. Finish by clicking OK again to save everything and close the Options window. Now, for the new Outlook, which includes the web version and the redesigned desktop app, click the Settings gear icon at the top right. From the menu on the left, choose Mail, then select Compose and Reply. In the Message Format section, you'll see controls for font, size, and style. Choose the font family you prefer, set the size that's comfortable to read, and adjust bold, italic, or color if needed. The preview will show you exactly how your default text will look. When you're done, make sure to click Save so your preferences apply going forward. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Your default font affects new messages you compose and messages you reply to or forward, but it won't change how emails you receive appear, and it won't retroactively update old messages. If you send plain text emails, formatting like font and color won't carry over, so use HTML or rich text for full control. For consistent results across devices, choose common fonts that are widely available. And if you work across both Classic and New Outlook, set your defaults in each so your emails match everywhere. That's it. Your default font is now set, and you'll see it automatically when you create new messages and replies. Thanks for watching.